and welcome back to the Guilty Pleasures Challenge. Today we are doing Wonderwall. For this song, if you want to sound exactly like the recording, you're going to need CAPO on the 2nd fret. But just to keep things simple in this tutorial, we won't use the CAPO. It just won't sound exactly like the song. Thank you to everyone who is sharing videos of themselves using the hashtag. If you want to join in on the fun, here it is. If you are a baritone ukulele player, skip to this part of the video. That's where your tutorial will be. Now let's get started. Okay, so if you have the printable Mari has made for you, she added strumming patterns, very detailed strumming patterns, because this song is made in the strumming pattern. We're gonna do it here though, so don't worry if you don't have the printable, you can just follow the video. Okay, for the intro, I'm gonna give you 2 ways to do it. The easy way and the more challenging way. The easy way is that you do down, 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 up, 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 down, down, down. The more challenging way is that you're adding more strums in between, and it'll sound like this. Remember, you have the exact strumming pattern chart already written for you, so I recommend you use that to guide you, and that looks a little bit like this. Down, 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 up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, down, up, down, down, down. Now when we get to the bridge, I'm going to count in groups of 4 because we are in a 4/4 time signature, so I want to start training your brain to think 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have these chords. C and D have 2 beats each, but I'm going to count this way. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then for E minor, a whole set of itself. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so watch me do it first and then join me. Another good thing about counting this way, by the way, is that you know how many strums to give each one. So you can just do 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, if you are more of a beginner. Now if you want to add more strums to that, if you're more intermediate, then you can do down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. So it's like a half island strum, full island strum, like this. Down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down. Down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. And then this part, GDC, moves really quickly, so you're going to have to forgive this hand if the chords don't land exactly right all the time. So the bridge sounds something like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fast. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again. 2, 3, 4. I know I'm going kind of a different level here, but if you're finding yourself challenged, that means you're growing. So I know it's tempting to think, oh, you know what, this is outside of my level, but that's okay. We want to work outside of your level because that means you're learning something new. So let's try again. 1, 2, you got this, you can do it. Sit ready, C. 1, 2, 1. Hold on, that was not a strong entrance. You can do better. I can do better. 1, 2, C. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, fast. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And the chorus has a slightly different pattern as well. Let me play it for you first and then we'll break it down. So we have down, down, and then one more down before switching to E minor. Up, up, down, 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 up. And then again 3 downs. Down, 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 and then again up, 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 down, down, down. If you need to, pause the screen here so you can practice that pattern. Relax the hand, and slow it down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, just because it's easier on my voice, I'm going to add the capo, and I'm kind of going to run through part of the song. So if you have a capo, please add it now. If not, use pencil and a hair tie, Sharpie and a hair tie, or something like it. Alright, intro, 1, 2, ready, and... As you can tell from that play along, I did simpler strumming patterns when I was doing the singing parts, or trying to read through the singing parts, and more of the perfect strumming patterns when I had space in between. Hello Berry players, let's get started. We need A, C, oh duh, we need A, C, D minor, E minor, and G. And don't worry, I'll be coming back to these in a little bit. I just don't want to spend too much time on the chords because these are pretty self-explanatory. To sound exactly like the song, put your capo on the 2nd fret. We won't use the capo just to keep things simple. Okay, so the chords are not difficult here. What's challenging is the strumming pattern. So I'm gonna play it through, and I would like for you to kind of jump in, kind of like a jump rope. Try to jump in, and I'm just going to loop, repeat, okay? Break it down by chord. We have down, 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 up on E minor. Ready, go. Down, 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 up. Ready, go. Down, 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 up. On G, we have down, up, down, 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 up. Down, up, down, 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 up. Down, up, down, 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 up. Ready, go. Down, up, down, 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 up. On D we have down, 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 with the intention of going to A on an up. So it'll be down, 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 up, D, 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 A, have that up strum we just did, another up strum, 2 downs, and a down up. So we have up, up, down, 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 up. So from E minor, down, 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 up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up. And now I have someone helping me with the printables. Mari has made the printable, and she's made separate sheets for just strumming and then one with the chords and the lyrics. So use the one that has just strumming to really master this. Now when we get to the verse, we have the same pattern, we just do it a bunch of times. So let's just do the verse a few times just to continue getting the practice in. 1, 2, ready, go. Down, 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 up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, down, down. Now we've made it to the bridge. We have C, D, E minor, C, D, E minor. We have that twice. We have C, D, E minor, and stay there for a bit. And then the last line of the bridge, we're gonna move through the chords a little quickly. Watch me do it first. So the entire bridge sounds like this. Jump in, like a jump rope if you can. If you cannot, then just watch or hold these the chords on this hand. 1, 2, ready, and that leads us right into the chorus. So we want that A to kind of build. Okay, now we are at the chorus. At the chorus, we have to move through the chords pretty quickly. We have about 2 beats each. So let's do the movements first, and then we'll add the strumming. We have 'cause maybe, C, E minor, G, E minor, 2 on each. Now we're gonna add that same kind of strumming pattern we've been doing for the whole song. And that will take over the whole chorus. With this song, I really recommend that you just take time loosening the hand, strumming small, and having fun with the strumming pattern. This part is easy for us as bari players, so I don't foresee any problems here. It's mostly gonna be here because we haven't had a strumming challenge like this before. Patterns that once you master it, you'll be able to do it over and over and over again. It's just getting it that first time will feel like riding a bike and like you're going super slow and training wheels. For this, I really do recommend you pick up the printable or pause the screen when I have the strumming patterns here. And if you can, take a screenshot on your phone. And you know, if you're in a car and you have the seatbelt on, practice strumming on the seatbelt. Practice strumming on your leg, wherever you need to. This is one of those that you really can't get around the practice. It does take practice. I hope that you enjoyed this tutorial, and I can't wait to see the covers that you'll do. Please tag me if you make them. Thank you so much for being a part. I don't know what's wrong with me. For being a part of today's tutorial. Remember that I am giving away ukuleles to people who participate in the challenge. On the last one, I have them over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I gave away 6 ukuleles, 3 books, and sets of strings. So although I said I'm giving away a banjolele, I might throw in other ukes in there. So participate. Alrighty guys, I will see you in the next one. I love you. Bye. Sayonara.